Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for some perfect everyday earrings to wear all the time? I have them. These little teardrop earrings by Alex Craft will be perfect. I have loved wearing them. They are made of sterling silver, so I can wear them and not worry about my ears having any kind of reaction to them. They're also extremely comfortable, so they're lightweight and there's no pokey back. So you have the little hook that goes through your ear and the back clasp pops up. So they stay on, they're not going to fall off, and there's nothing poking you, which makes it really nice because I can even take naps. I've even worn these overnight because I forgot I had them on because they're so comfortable. Inside the teardrop is these little hearts, which add just so much funness and cuteness. That is why I fell in love with them. They also would make an amazing gift for a friend. They come in this really cute box, so it is ready to go straight to your friend to make them just as happy as they make me. So if you need some everyday earrings, highly recommend these. I highly recommend them as gifts for all your friends as well. But that's just my point of view.